This video is 7 magic minutes of instant relaxation. Hi, my name is Dipti the hypnotherapist, and I'd like to lead you down into a very comfortable, deeply relaxing place. All you need is 7 minutes and a quiet place to either sit down or lie down. So find yourself a comfortable position now. Nice. And as you find the comfortable position, make sure you're not going to be interrupted. It's only 7 minutes. And at the end of this video, hopefully you will be feeling nicely relaxed, totally refreshed, and ready to carry on with your day. So as you find your comfortable position now, allow your eyes to close down. Nice. As you close your eyes down, imagine yourself allowing the feeling of relaxation to be invited in through the top of your head. Imagine your crown chakra, the top of your head, opening beautifully like 1,000-petal lotus flower, beginning to open each petal, allowing relaxation in to the top of your head. So you can actually feel the top of your head, all of your scalp muscles softening, quietening. And as this is happening beautifully and rhythmically, allow your breath to settle, thinking about deepening and lengthening your breathing now. With every breath in, send it low, send it deep. And with every breath out, release and let go, letting go of any tightness, any tension, and any discomfort, just letting it go. With every breath in, send it low, send it deep. And with every breath out, releasing and letting go, quietening, going into stillness. And as you now imagine all the muscles inside your forehead relaxing, your eyelids relaxing, your cheeks, your chin, and your jaw loosening and letting go, softening. Even the tiny micro muscles that make up the expression of your face now beginning to soften, quieten, loosen, relax. As your face relaxes, imagine your skin on your face smoothing itself out. That's such a lovely feeling. And as the expression of your face goes into this state of deep calm, you send positive messages down into your nervous system, telling your nervous system that you are now prioritizing calm, relaxation, and peace, and stillness. So amazing things begin to happen now as you deeply relax your shoulders. As your shoulders drop away from your ears, you deeply relax both of your arms equally down, relaxing all of your fingers, both of your thumbs. Nice. Now notice how your spine can relax all the way down from the top of your spine, right the way down into the base of your spine, letting go, relaxing. And notice now how your breathing has settled beautifully in your chest, down in your belly, relaxing. As everything begins to relax in your body, things begin to quieten inside your mind. As your body relaxes and calms, your mind beautifully and dutifully follows and flows. Relaxing down into your legs now, easily, quietly relaxing into your knees. And now imagine you can relax all the way down into your ankles, into the tips of your toes, one by one, just letting go. And now as your body comfortably relaxes and quietens, your mind begins to quieten as well. As your mind begins to relax and quieten, your emotions also begin to beautifully settle. Everything goes into quiet and stillness and peace. And as your body sinks and softens, your mind also begins to sink and soften beautifully, quietly, into calm, into stillness, into peace, into quiet, into softness, into comfort, into calm, into peace, into quiet, into softness, into calm, into comfort, into peace, into quiet, into softness. And just as you allow this softness to move through your body and move through your mind, you can bring this into your day. Nice. 5, you can hear my voice clearly. 4, just become aware of what you're lying down on or sitting down on. 3, feeling the clothes against your skin. 2, wiggling your fingers and toes. Nice. And 1, when you're ready, opening your eyes, coming back into the room, feeling so much more calm and relaxed. And if you liked that, I'm Dipti the hypnotherapist. There's plenty more where that came from. Please do like and subscribe and share. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.